and the honor they yearned for.
Makiri ma andu magomanire itura-ini ria hiriga mathira makigomania atongoria a kiuteti kuma mwena wa Jubilee na uria wa uregani wa NASA thutha wa ihinda ria uteti muhiu. Matongoretio ni President Uhuru Kenyatta, President wa tene Mwai Kibaki na mutongoria wa uregani Raila Odinga hamwe na makiria ma magavana 35 makinya itura-ini riri kugira Mutigairi uhoro.
A record that 5 governors have attended this funeral tells you the respect and the honor they yearned for their colleague Nderitu Gachagua.
Na tulikuwa karibu sana wakati tuliunganisha chama cha Jubilee. Alikuwa mtu aliamini ile mpango wewe ulipanga. Na leo niko hapa kwa niaba ya wajumbe constituency na wa Kenya na watu wa Northeastern kulete rambirambi zetu.
Ni magathiriirie Mutigairi ni undu wa kio giake kia wira honge-ini itiganite oro undu umwe na wirutiri wa ngavana Gachagua hari gukinyaniria mivango ya uthathauri wa mahinya.
Part of the reason we succeeded in rolling out devolution, not in 3 years as was expected by the law, but rolling out devolution in a record 1 year, it's because of progressive, committed leaders like Nderitu Gachagua, who sat in the Council of Governors.
He stood very strongly for devolution. And that's the first time that James Nderitu Gachagua told me, when you get a new constitution, I shall wish to be the first governor of Nyeri because I know I can help transform Nyeri.
He was the first chairman of the Agricultural Committee, and he did everything he could to make sure that the reforms that were required to usher in the new era of devolved agriculture were done.
President Kenyatta na mutongoria wa uregani Raila Odinga makihuthira njukua imwe kwariria ajumbe a county aria makoretwo makihahura magavana na njira cia gwitia besha makiuga maga kuneo besha no kuhagura magavana ta uria kwahanikire mwena wa Nyeri mwaka muthiru.
Oversight is not changing the program or the agenda of the elected governor because he is the one who has the mandate.
Gachagua is great because he stood firm and said, I'd rather be sacked, I'd rather be impeached, but not to give in to blackmail and intimidation.
Naka President Kenyatta aruta mukana kuri MCA aria mari na mutugo ucio agithie na mbere na kugweta wirutiri wa Mutigairi wira-ini wa muingi akiuga ati wira wake ndungitaririo na muno hari guteithia arimi na kumacariria ihonia cia mathina mao urimi-ini.
Tutengere turikie agenda ya muheshimiwa Gachagua no ria angiendire kuona Nyeri ugikwo.
Mutigairi Gachagua ari mubuga wa mathira kuma mwaka wa 2002 nginya mwaka wa 2007 niwe gavana wa mbere gukua ari wa Vici. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Helen Maina.